This conference will now be recorded.
Yes.
Yeah. So good morning,
So no, my
Mr.
so
Virendra
my
Rawat.
screen,
Hello.
yeah. So my screen is there.
Yes, yes, I can see your
Okay,
screen,
okay.
and I welcome you on behalf of India School News to this online meeting.
Thank you.
And we also have Professor Sarath Kumar joining this online meeting. So welcome,
Okay,
Professor Sarath Kumar.
okay,
And Yeah, to start with, you will have to introduce yourself, and then you can talk about the topic which you have chosen, green school and the pandemic.
yes.
So you can please go ahead and please tell us a little bit about yourself so that participants also will know about you, and then you
Okay,
can speak on the topic which you have chosen. Thank you.
oh, okay. So hello, my name is Birendra Rawat. I am based at Ahmedabad, and my organization name is Green Mentor. We are basically sustainable education research organization. So we are trying to bring power of nature and power of culture into education to make it relevant to our sustainable society. So our goal is that
Okay.
our goal is that every school must have some element of environment in it, and without the element of environment, we cannot call education as a complete education, because nature is the super teacher or super educator or supreme guide. So nature teaches us everything. So we should consider nature as supreme guide, and then our educator, then our content, and then our uh, pe- people and culture around us. So that we are recognized by United Nations. We work more than 20 countries, and we have transformed curriculum of many counties, many boards. Like India had the central board and state board. Other countries have their own boards. So we are trying to connect every topic and every chapter with the nature. This is our core goal. And then how we work with first to provide training to the teachers, and then we provide curriculum, and then we audit the schools, we certify a school as green schools, and then we provide the co-curricular activity and so on. So we are
Okay.
based at Ahmedabad, and this is the only organization in India who is completely working on sustainable education. So about us,
Okay.
we work in more than 20 countries, 200 to 200 university, 1,000 school, 20,000 school leaders, 50,000 educator, and 10 million students worldwide. This is our organization structure. So we are first in auditing and certification. We transform green conventional school into green school, conventional university into green university. We also make learning spaces as safe learning spaces, and working spaces as safe working spaces. Apart from that, we are in training. We provide green teacher training. We certify conventional teacher into green teacher. We have 100 hour training program, 50-hour training program, and we have the postgraduate diploma in the green teaching. And this is the international degree that gives Indian teacher the power to teach worldwide, online or offline. We also offer a diploma in hygiene and infection control to fight the pandemic and to make the every school a safe school. We also offer the international schooling, the dual US high school diploma to Indian student, so Indian student can access the US university without TOEFL and without SAT. And we also offer a US middle school curriculum to Indian students, so Indian students can learn American curriculum here in India along with their schools. We have the solution for green school, like we have the green quest, we have the green auditing, we have the green curriculum, we have the green games, we have green STEM, we have green assessment evaluation, we have the mountain classroom, marine classroom, power classroom, military classroom, green transport, green art studio, green laboratories, and green rituals. Uh, then we do lot of event every year. So our annual event is National Conference on Hygiene Infection Control, Children Climate Conference, and National Green Mentor Conference, our fourth NYC Green School Conference that takes place every year at New York, and National Principal Conference, National Green Story Challenges, Green Speaker Series, United Nations, Climate Olympiad, Climate Wear Conference, Miss Climate, the Sustainable Beauty Pageant. We also call it Beauty with Responsibility because they are making their surrounding more green. And we have the product Green Pride Wear. We call that Green Uniform, Sustainable Lifestyle. We have first climate store at Ahmedabad. We offer lifestyle clothing to every family. We have sustainable home decor, green stationery, green jewelry, and we have green conference accessories that has no impact on the environment. Our any activity does not have any impact on environment. So this is the green school auditing. So we assess schools, assess space, the water quality, air quality, the technology they are using, the energy they are using, and their impact on environment, and we certify them as a green school. So we also transform any conventional university into university. So any graduate coming from the university, he will not make any impact on environment when he become any engineer, doctor, or bureaucrat or entrepreneur. As the pandemic is affecting our life, challenging our education, and that stop learning. So we say that learning never stops. So we have designed the safe schooling and fearless learning. So we audit every school and we certify a school as a safe school. So parent can believe those facilities, learning facilities, and they can change. They can send their children without any fear to these schools. We are certifying schools. We have certified many schools across India and outside of India. And similarly, we also certified the working spaces as a fearless working spaces. So when the people coming from any working in any company, they're coming back at home, so their families should not be feared that they can carry the virus along with them. So this is our green teacher training. So green teacher training is a certification programs and that allow your teacher to earn 20% more salaries in conventional schools. So because they save a lot of resources of the schools. So they are entitled to get more 20% more remuneration than conventional teacher. We also have postgraduate diploma in green teaching with the Indus University. So this is 1 year full-time program. So 6 months we teach in your classroom, and 6 months we send you internships outside of India. So this is the 100% placement and job-based program. We ensure your job as a green educator, as a principal of green school, administrator of green school, green auditor, green mentor, a green trainer, green journalist, green writer. We ensure that. We also offer diploma in hygiene and infection control with the association of the Indus University. So this is the structured program designed to provide a skilled workforce to the nation toward making working and learning spaces more safer than before. We have the US high school diploma. So this student from grade 9 to 12th can enroll in that, and they have to take minimum 6 credit from US high school diploma. So all subject are taught from American teachers. So when they complete the US high school diploma, they can access to any university of America, any other part of the world, without any entrance test or TOEFL or SAT. And we also offer US middle school curriculum to Indian students from the students who are studying grade 6 to 8. But this curriculum is taught by Indian teachers who are certified by Arizona State University. So with green solution part, like we do, we take the test quest of students. So in the green quest, it allows us to know how many students are sensitive toward the environment around them. So according to the quest, we design the syllabus. So green curriculum is the curriculum that connect every chapter like NCRT or IB or Cambridge or CBSE with the nature. So when you connect any chapter, any syllabus or any book or any topic with the nature, so student learn fast and learn permanently. So it increases your learning outcome. So green games is the indigenous game. It is very local game. Tamil Nadu have different indigenous game. Himachal have their own game. Gujarat have their own game. So we have documented many indigenous games across the world, and we promote them because these indigenous game does not use any kind of energy. So they are played in the on daylight. So you don't need to use the coal-based energy to play those games, and it connect you directly with the nature. So green stem. So green stem is powered by 21st century curriculum connected learning skills, exclusive design for a slow learner or hyperactive students from grade 6 to 12. So green stem is powered school can assure parent to achieve 100% learning outcome of a student potential in spite of their special hyperactive features. So green assessment, we are not using any paper to assess or evaluate student learning outcome. This is observation based or online or computer based. So this is our mountain classroom. So we take a student to mountain and we provide them the local food, the local water, local environment, local skills. So they learn everything all about mountain at mountain days. So that allow them to understand the nature in more better way. When they come back with the power of nature, and that enhance their learning outcome. So marine classroom, so we teach everything all about marine science, marine biodiversity at marine parks. We stay there for 1 week or 15 days, night and day, and we work with marine biodiversity. So students learn everything all about marine diversity at marine site. With the power classroom is especially to those school are facing problem in grade 11 to 12th because students are going to coaching like Ellen and Akash and many coaching class. So this power classroom brings the glory of schooling back. So students stay back in the school. They don't go for Ellen and Akash for the further learning. So it allow them to stay at schools. So military classroom is the classroom with the patriotism. So it makes you are more strong and it allow you to change any uh, challenge that come from the border and that come from the natural calamities, anything. So that makes you strong to defend your life, defend your nation, and defend your community. And this is a green classroom. Green classroom does not use any coal-based energy. It uses a any energy that does not have impact on environment, like solar, like wind, like biogas, all things. And it is mostly 70 to 80% is outdoor, not indoor. So we teach everything all about in outdoor. So that allows students to learn everything permanently. So green transport is a transport that does not have an impact on environment. We're using it here in Gujarat. We can do. This is art studio, and this art studio is oxygenated art room. So you have a lot of oxygen because it gives you a lot of energy, does not allow you to feel tired, and it enhance your creativity. So you become better painter, better creative person while you are studying in the green art studio because it has the power of nature. So green lab is totally used by kinesthetic. We are using kinesthetic energy, so that does not have any impact on the environment. So we have nature rituals. We call that green rituals. So these green rituals allow students to learn the language of trees, language of animals, language of insect, language of uh, flowers, and it allows students to learn the language of biodiversity. So an student can communicate with the animal, with the birds, with the cow, with the goat, with any animal, with the snake around them. So it allow that every creatures on this planet has the right to live, like we have the right to live, right? So like every religion, whether you are Hindu or a Muslim or Christian, you have own rituals, but no school is teaching the nature rituals because without nature we cannot even imagine the God. So nature is supreme God. If nature is there, the God is there. God is there, religion is there. So before believing in God, let's believe the nature, and then that allow us to ultimately believe in the God. So this is our conference. We have done the conference in infection control from across the world at the very challenging time. So we have provided solution to every school to make their school safe and to make learning space safe. So this is a children climate conference. Every year we conduct. A million of students participate, and we inspire them to understand nature in more better way. So this is a Green Mentor Conference, especially school principals. So what is the next solution? How the nature can bring more power into education, and how your school can have no impact on environment. So this is our annual Green School Conference. We take place every year at 24 September in New York. It is the United Nations General Assembly associated conference, and we have also association with the Climate Week NYC. So we invite all solution providers, educators, students, environmentalists, climate research scholars to come together and to provide the next level solution to green schools. And this year, more than 20 countries participated from different parts of the world. So this is Nature Principal Conference. So we understand how to give more power to principal because principal are not allowed to enhance their skill and to how to face the next generation challenges. So we give them more power. So this is the Green Story Challenge. So student submit their story related to environment around them. So these stories, student has to learn from their grandparent, and after listening from the grandparent, they have to write a story and they have to submit the schools. And we give them a 5 to 10 mark on each stories. So now we have more than 50,000 stories archived. So any scholar who are doing research, they take the content from us, and that is this content is not available in the Google. This we are the only custodian of this content. So Green Speaker series that allow the school leaders, the principal, educators, parents to share their views to how to bring more power into education, how to make India as a great nation, as a source of ethical content. India is the only country in the world that has the lot of ethical content which other country does not have. So we are the reservoir of the ethical knowledge across the world. So Model United Nations we do every year. So number of students are participating. We are honoring them, giving them prizes, and making them to understand the world and understand the challenges of every nation because they represent different nations and they present the challenges of those nations and solution of those challenges. We do climate Olympiad every year, and then we honor the winner at New York conference. We invite winner to at New York every year, and we ensure that the students have extraordinary knowledge, the more understanding about the nature. They should be honored at the global platform that we are doing. So this is the Miss Climate Beauty Pageant. We call that beauty of responsibility, and beauty pageant is not to judge the woman's aesthetic or their features. We only judging their contribution toward the environment around them. And those who are doing great, they are only judged as a winner. Even the costume they are wearing, that has no impact on the environment. They are totally sustainable, 100% cotton, no chemical colors. Even the crown we offer, this is made from bamboos. There is no metal is used on that. So this is the one of the unique beauty pageant in the world, and that is takes place everywhere in the world. And what we do that we are using beauty to create the awareness of climate change in the world. So it brings more power to the beauty pageant industry, and it also bring more power to the education and awareness areas. So climate wear conference, this is the uniform we provide to every school. So these uniform has no impact on environment, 100% cotton, natural colors, and it allows student body to breathe. So student does not feel tired. So if your school is wearing green uniform, so your learning outcome will go 20% up. So these are the product we are offering, the green uniforms. We are offering this is our climate store in Ahmedabad. We offer all clothing, home decor, jewelry, and everything that has no impact on environment, and that is made from 100% ethical material, 100% cotton, and we are also offering the antibacterial, anti-herbal treated antibacterial mask and clothing to everyone. So that allow you to feel safe in the corona time. So green stationery, we do a lot of events. So we provide all the mm, material, and that's made from recycled material, and that has no impact on the environment. So green accessories are there. This is our trophy we are offering. This is made from bamboos. This is the green academic calendar. We provide tulsi plants to every guest. So this has no impact on environment at all. So thank you. My presentation ends here.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, Mr. Virendra Rawat. I was really impressed by the work which you are doing.
Yes.
And congratulations for your outstanding achievement in the field of sustainable practices in education,
Right.
focusing on green schools that bring nature and culture into education. So I highly appreciate that. I
Right.
just want to know how did this thought of green school concept come to your mind? Like, how did you decide to start this
Okay.
concept of
So
green?
can you allow my video? My video is not camera is not coming.
Oh, 1 second. It's on already. Video is on.
On? Yeah.
Yeah.
So
1 minute.
actually,
Can't see.
yeah, so in the 2010, when I was planning to open a new building, a new school, and we have went to see the site, and we found that the site has enough trees and the water bodies around. So then it came in my mind, and I asked my architect, can we make a school that has more eco-friendly nature? So somehow we discussed, and then we have designed a building, and instead of a square size, we have designed building oval size. and then that allow every class to reach the sunlight, and every toilet has the access of around 2 hours sunlight. So if the toilet get sun dry, so there is sanitized by sun only, and then it was ventilation, everything was there. And when we have allowed a student to enter into classrooms, so we observed that a student discipline is the better, learning outcome is better, and the student health is better. There is no sick leave, and then we have started to analyzing what is the reason. And then we found that okay, because of better ventilation, access to sunlight, and then the availability of the quality air was the cause of it. And then we have started documenting on it, and we have went to the solar energy. Then we started water harvesting, and then we started lot of sustainable activities. And after 2 3 years, we realized that yes, there is change in the student learning outcome and health and overall development. And then we have documented, and we have shared our document to US, and US has recognized our documentation. They have invited us to share our story. We went to Boston University first time in 2013, and they have honored us, and that inspired us to do more. And then the government of Gujarat, when the honorable Prime Minister was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, and he has invited us, and we shared our story with the government officials. And the government of Gujarat is first government in the India and Asia those who, that has launched for 100 green schools, government schools. So they have allotted around 20 crore budget for that, and I was invited to mentor those schools. And today, Gujarat is proud that we have more than 500 green school in the government sector, which other state does not have. So, because it has a low cost, because it reduces your operation cost up to 70%. So if your operation cost is 1 crore for 1 year, if you go green, you can save 70% operation cost, because you save the cost of water, you cost of energy, cost of space, cost of stationery, and everything. So it save lot of money, and that we add the more 20% salary to the staffs. So students are happy, and teachers are happy, parents are happy, and the nature are happy. The best part is that nature is happy. So in the simple word, we call that in the green school is that when the student, teachers, administrator, parent, everybody falls with the love of nature, and then they rise with the love of nature, because they are pro nature and they are nature champions, and they also do the same practices at their home. Students who are learning in the green school, they never fall sick. They save a lot of electricity at home, water at home, lot of resources around them, and they are the champion. They will be saving the planet from the climate change, and they will be saving others from the impact of climate change. This is the first generation. After 20 years, the number of will be the more, and then after 20 years, you can see the prime minister, the bureaucrat, the doctor will be coming from green schools only. So they will be saving
Good.
nature. They will not making any law that goes against the nature. So
Correct.
this is our
Yeah.
goal at all.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Virendra Rawat. Professor Sarath Kumar, do you have any question? Before that, Mr. Virendra, the video is not seen. I think you have to unmute the video symbol from your app.
No, but actually, I am clicking on video, but the video is not coming, and I don't
yeah,
know
I
what is the
don't know.
reason.
It's
I
already
don't know.
enabled. Yeah, no
Oh,
idea what is happening. Okay,
no
no
issues.
problem.
No,
Yeah,
no,
sure.
no.
Yeah. So,
I
Professor
think
Sarath Kumar, do you have any question? You can go ahead and ask the question to Mr. Virendra Rawat.
now it's coming.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Virendra Rawat, first
Yes.
very good morning to you, and
Thank you.
many congratulations on your vibrant concepts and achievements towards making the earth very green. Many
Thank you.
congratulations to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, may I know whether your organization is a non-profitable organization or a profitable organization, sir?
No, sir,
Because should the teach?
so our
Yes, sir.
organization is for the profit only, and without profit, we cannot take the movement to next level because we need to
No,
add more
no,
people
no,
and
no.
we need to become survival. This is the for the profit
Yeah,
organization,
yeah.
and we
Yes,
do
sir.
that.
Sir, okay, sir. I mean, why I asked that question was, should the teachers who register with your organization pay
Yes,
any fee for the courses you offer? You are offering
yes,
some courses. Should they pay or not? I wanted to know, sir.
yeah. We are offering the Green Teacher Training Program, and
Ah,
we offer online and offline also. Earlier, we are offering on offline. Now we are offering online. So we
uh-huh.
are offering the postgraduate diploma in the green teaching, the first green teaching degree in the world with the
Uh-huh.
Association of Indus University Ahmedabad, and that allow
Uh-huh.
to become you as a principal, the vice chancellor, or the writer, everything, and the
Yes, sir.
auditors, and you also certify your school around you as a sustainable school or green school because power of nature makes you happy first. See,
Yes, sir. Yes,
it
sir.
gives you more energy, and that also allow other to get more energy.
Very good, sir. Sir, a second question. Sir, could you please let me know if it is essential that every teacher in India should obtain a certificate from your organization in order to teach abroad?
No, no, sir. Actually, everyone cannot teach. We don't have such capacity. Also, we are a small
Ah,
organization.
sir.
We are limited resources, and but at a time we can educate 50 group of teachers because we'll have lot of activity. We need lot of resources also. But those who are certified by us, we are placing them. They don't need to place. We are placing them outside of India. So they get very
Ah,
good remuneration outside of India. So any
but,
our
but
program is 100% placement based program.
sir, I have had the teaching experience of in Asia as well as in Africa, sir. I
Great,
totally taught in 7 countries, sir,
great,
altogether. Yeah, in an arc, sir, like an arc I traveled, starting
right.
from Sri Lanka and ending with Jeddah, sir. I was in Africa
Oh,
as well.
okay, great.
As assistant professor of English in Jimma University, Ethiopia. I was in
Oh,
Nigeria, I was in Kenya, I was in Eritrea, I was in Jeddah, I was in Sri Lanka and Maldives, sir.
oh,
All these
wonderful.
7 countries I have worked. And
Excellent.
I appreciate your particular stature of doing something green. I would like to
Yes,
suggest, sir,
mhm,
kindly take it as a suggestion.
yes,
In fact, I wanted to put it as a question, in fact, but later on, seeing the way in which you put your thoughts very clear, I am
yes.
converting my question into a small suggestion, sir.
Right,
In
sir.
your presentation, you said that you are crowning the people with crowns which are made of natural things and dresses made
Yes,
of
yes,
gray,
yes,
what is
yes,
called cotton and all these things. Very nice, sir.
yes.
Very wonderful.
Yes.
In fact, we have also been doing. But
Okay,
please
great.
see that this is my idea, sir.
Right.
Please see that you conduct your conventions and conferences under what is called trees. Under trees,
Yes.
because many of the photographs that you shared with us
The
on the
indoor.
screen, you are kind enough
Yes.
to do that and honest
Yes.
enough to do that as well. I appreciate that honesty because it is
Yes.
only when you shared the photos this particular idea popped into my head. Otherwise, I
Right.
wouldn't even have got this idea. See that they
Right.
actually are conducted in some orchids or in parks where there is a lot of greenery. These are all conducted in convention. Also, the connection between man and nature and the greenness is missing, sir. I didn't
I'll
see any in
Yeah,
any.
I'll just say you that most of our event is conducted in Gujarat because we are based in Gujarat. Gujarat
Yes, sir.
has a Mahatma Gandhi Convention Center, and that
Correct,
is
sir.
powered 100% green energy.
Uh,
Right. So we also provide
sir,
training at the PDPU, Pandit Deen Dayal University at Gandhinagar. That is also 100% powered by the
because
solar
sir,
energy. So
uh, uh,
these indoor
sir,
facilities,
now,
we are not using any coal-based energy. So there are no impact on the environment.
yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Likewise, sir, if possible, if your resources permit you, kindly
Yes.
visit Earth University, which was established by Vandana Shiva as well.
Yes, yes, yes. I
It
know
is
because we take a lot of thing from
uh,
Vandana.
At university. Some
Yeah.
time ago, we happened to have an occasion to know about that particular university and the various courses. If you can incorporate those courses here as well, it would be better. And
Definitely, sir.
one final thing, sir. I would like to work with you. Should you provide that
Definitely, sir.
particular
You are most welcome.
opportunity?
So you're most welcome.
And
Most welcome. Whenever you have time, we can have it discussed in person,
yes,
and we
yes,
can
sir.
use your
Surely, sir.
wisdom and your experience and your achievement to
Sure, sir.
take it to next
And
level, because everyone has the
yes, sir.
right to learn the law of nature from anyone in the world.
So may I know how I can reach you, sir? Via your
I
website?
will do the
Via your website.
we'll go through your profile, then we'll have a Zoom meeting, and then we'll discuss and a sense
Yes,
of
sir.
responsibility.
Yes,
We'll share our content with you,
yes, sir.
and then in
Yes,
area where you are comfortable, we can work together. And because we have
yes,
global
sir.
opportunities, why I am in this area? Okay, because I am very much inspired by the American content. Because when the American are making the movies, they are making the movies that allow that inspire everyone in the world. America is a superpower. So they make
Very well said.
movie and they make Angel, they make Superman, right? So then everyone, yeah, America is a great country. When they also make the movie, when the Earth will be in trouble, only American can save it. And they see
Save the
that,
world.
and NASA is the only great thing. We do everything with the all thing. And even the coffee,
Correct,
if you go to Starbucks in Mumbai, so people feel proud of it, right? So that is their soft power.
correct, correct.
If America is not there, even American brand will be always there. So we that ki India is the only reservoir of the ethical content, ethical knowledge,
Correct, correct,
right?
correct.
And we'll have to project ourselves for the ethical knowledge. So we want to
We
make
have to
India
fan.
as a soft power. Whether government is
Correct,
there or
sir.
not government is there, we are not concerned about government. But the brand India must be there.
Yes, sir. Let us work
So
towards that end, sir.
yes, this is the
Uh,
ultimate goal. And Green School is
yes.
one goal that let the people see the ethical content right from India.
Mm.
This is the thing, right,
Yes,
sir?
sir.
Thank you very much.
Right, sir.
So
Have
thank
a nice day,
you,
sir.
thank you, sir. Thank
And uh, and thank you, Ashwini madam, for giving me the opportunity to talk to Mr.
Yeah,
Virendra Rawat, from whom I
Yeah, yeah.
am also getting a little inspired, ma'am. Thank
Very
you
thank you,
good.
very
sir.
much,
Thank
ma'am.
you, thank you,
Yeah, thanks. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
thank you,
So
Ashwini.
yeah,
Yeah,
thank you, Mr. Virendra Rawat, on behalf of India School News. I thank you, both of you, for
thank you,
attending this meeting, and it was really an engaging and inspiring meeting, I would say.
thank
And
you,
yeah, and you're really doing a wonderful job,
thank you,
and I
Ashwini.
have did the great work, and that too you are, I would say, you're bringing green revolution,
Yeah,
and
in the area of education.
yes, inculcating values and importance of nature and
Yes,
environment,
yes, yes,
especially at the school level in the
yes,
kids. That is a
yes.
really great initiative. And I wish you all the success for all your future endeavors. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
okay. Thank you, Ashwini. Thank you.